In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this particular little social media video using only my iPhone and the iMovie app. And I'm literally going to record my phone screen and show you step by step how you create it. Okay, but before I show you how to do that video, I just want to make sure that you're not going to go down a social media video creation rabbit hole and end up spending a whole load of time creating lovely, sexy videos and not actually getting clients for your business. So spending time creating all of these things needs to be in line with your blueprint. And if you don't know what I'm talking about when I say blueprint, then grab a copy of my book, The Build It Brilliant Blueprint, and that will help you to make strategic decisions about your business. So you can think of the ideas of all the wonderful stuff you want to create for your business, but make sure that it makes strategic sense, which allows you to build the business that you want, earn the money that you want, help as many people as you can, all this kind of stuff, but not to overwork, be a busy fool, burn out, and end up doing way too many things. Okay, so long as you have decided that creating this kind of video content fits within your blueprint, then let me show you how I created that video. Okay, so I'm going to start recording my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to create some video content of whatever it is that you want to create. So for this, the message that I wanted to get across was around play and around how so many people in their everyday life just do what everyone else is doing and don't really allow themselves to play or have fun. So I was actually delivering a workshop in London. It was a really rainy day, and I thought, oh, playing in puddles was a really great example of so many people like walking down the street, jumping over the puddles, trying to work around the puddles. And actually, I was the one kind of splashing around in them and having a great time. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to record the videos. So on your phone, just get rid of all of this. On your phone, you need to go to your phone, slide across the video, and then video all of the clips that are going to be part of your video. So for me, I did 3. I did one of me just walking down a street. I did one of me kind of jumping in puddles and one of me walking and splashing in a puddle. So record all of your videos and then you have them all on your phone. So I've got them all here. The next thing is to open iMovie. So make sure you've got this as an app. And if you haven't, then go to the App Store and download it. So we've got iMovie. Here is the project that I did, but we'll start a new one from scratch. And we're going to click movie at the bottom so that we have control over what we're doing. We're then going to click the clips that we want to use. So the 3 that I wanted was me walking, me playing in a puddle, and me splashing in a puddle. So I want all of those and then create movie. And as you can see here along the timeline, it's now put all of those 3 clips into this kind of timeline. Now, obviously, when I was doing this, like the clip is really long. So the first thing that I want to do is shorten it, probably just to a couple of seconds. So I looked in the video of where I liked, and then if you click on there, the timeline, it comes up with a split. So I split it, and then the bit before it, I clicked on it and delete. And now, as you can see, that clip is only, play it here. It's only kind of a slow bit, and then I don't know why I've got that. So let's split that off as well. There. That's going to be too short. Okay. Just going to split it again. What have I got now? That's probably long enough. So split the clip down to whatever size you want it. I also want to know sound. So I'm going to go click that again, and at the bottom I've got sound. I'm going to turn that off. And then we're going to go into this clip of me kind of, if I play, again, kind of splashing around in puddles. I only want the splashing around bit. So again, I'm going to click on it, click this thing at the bottom and click. So you can kind of drag it and see where in the clip you want it to be, and then split, and then delete this bit. So now if I play, it's good. And this bit again, I don't want the sound. I mean, this bit's really long. And I only really want me splashing about. So I'm going to do it from kind of here. Split that up. Delete that bit. Kind of have it running to here. Split that and delete that. So now I've got a 19-second kind of clip. So play it from the beginning. Some walking. Some splashing. And then this. Oh, I've still got volume. So click on that volume, turn that off. Could probably split it a bit earlier. So this video isn't going to look exactly the same as the one that I created, because obviously I'm just doing it and splitting it in different places depending on what I feel. But that's okay. So I'm just going to split this one again. So I want the splash to come in a bit earlier. So you can just play around with this and split and detach and delete the bits that you don't want until it kind of looks the way that you want it to look. And then after that, I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to add my text. I picked this one. I've forgotten what it was that I put. So I can click on the text here and edit. And as you see here, it says drag the title to move and pinch to resize. So we can do this. So in the video, what did I do as the text? Let's just look. So this was the original one that I posted. No, it's not. That's the one that I'm that's the one that I'm editing. Okay, so most people do this, and I do this. So edit, add text, click, edit. Most people do this. And then text on this one. Edit again. But I do this. Can even add to it and put goody face. I wanted. And on this one, I did a text that was remember to play. So I'm going to edit this. Remember to play. Now, with any of these, if I pinch the screen, it will make it bigger or smaller. And if I use one finger, I can move it around if I want to. So let me just play that now. I just want to kind of move it up a little bit. Okay, and then the other bit that I wanted to add was music. So then again, if I click the plus button and add audio and soundtracks. Now, any of these you can use. So iMovie is licensed to use any of these soundtracks, so you can download them and use them. The only thing I would say is if you're then uploading that video onto YouTube, you might get somebody saying that they own the copyright. It's usually a good idea to just put in your description where your music's licensed from. in order to let them know. And you can on YouTube then submit your evidence to say where you've got it from. So it's always worth knowing and putting it in there. So I can't even remember which one I chose, but we can kind of, what's this one sound like? Nah, it's a bit boring for what I am using. Okay, quite like that. Press the plus button and it will add it to your movie. And now if I play it, there you go. Check you like it. And then whenever you're done, I can click done. I can click here and change the name of it. Play in Puddles 2. So I'm done. And then when you're ready, at the bottom down here, you click the share button and you can I can send it to my MacBook, or for some reason my AirDrop wasn't working when I did this video. So what I did is I Facebook messaged it to myself and then downloaded it from Facebook. But there's also options on here like your Dropbox, if you've got that, or your OneDrive. You can set those up on your phone if you want to do it to there. So then you just download the video and then upload it to your social media. So stop that. I hope you found that really useful in terms of creating quick and easy videos for your social media. And I look forward to seeing what ideas you create. So do post links to them below if you wish. I'd love to kind of see the ingenious social media videos that you create as a result of watching this video. I hope that has inspired you into some creative social media video creations. That's it for this week's video, and I will see you next week for the next one.